So today we will study the two topic, that is latitudes and longitudes. First of all, we should know what do you understand by the latitudes. So if you observe the globe carefully, you will see a number of lines running parallel to the equator. So what is the meaning of parallel in Hindi? That is samanantar, matlab just like a railway track. Railway track is called a parallel line. Alright, so if you observe the globe carefully, you will see a number of lines running parallel to the equator. Like the equator, they go around. These lines are called parallel or latitudes. As you can see on the picture, page number 72, the first picture, alright, parallel of, keep quiet all of you, keep quiet I said, keep quiet I said. Parallel of latitudes, as you can see on the picture, these lines are called parallel of latitudes because a number of lines running parallel to the equator, that is called parallel of latitudes, alright. Latitudes are marked in degrees and minutes, where 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Apart from their value, the parallel are also marked as N and S. According to N and S means north and south, according to their location in the northern and southern hemisphere respectively. The equator is marked at 0 degree. Equator is marked at 0 degree. Alright, there are 90 latitudes to the north of the equator, and the North Pole is at 90 degree north. North Pole, that means the upper side of the topmost part of the earth, that is North Pole, that is North Pole. Okay. Now, similarly, there are 90 degree latitudes to the south of the equator, and the South Pole is 90 degrees south, means this point. I am talking about this point. I am talking about this point. This is south and this is North Pole. This is South Pole and this is North Pole. All right. There are 181 degrees of latitudes in all, including the equator. Equator, that means an imaginary lines divide earth into two halves, that is called equator. Alright, now we will study the features of latitudes. The features of latitudes. The equator is the largest latitude. Yes, equator is the largest latitude because it is the combination of 90 degree northern and 90 degree southern, that means 181 degree total. Lines of latitude run parallel to each other in the east-west direction. Yes, east-west direction, as you can see in the picture. Lines of latitude run parallel to each other in the east-west direction. Latitudes don't touch or intersect each other. Alright, that means, as you can see in the picture, lines of latitude, that means parallel of latitudes, these lines don't touch and intersect each other. Alright, now the next point is all latitudes from complete circles except the northern pole and the southern pole, which are points. Yes, that means except northern poles and southern poles, all the lines complete the circle. All the lines complete the circle. Alright, the distance between any two latitudes remain the same. The distance between, that means if the distance between two lines is 2 meters, then the similar distance between 3 and 4th line, the similar distance between maintain 4th and 5th line. Alright, student. So, the length of the latitude decrease as we move from the equator to the poles. When you decrease the line, the length of the latitude decreases. Alright. Now, importance of latitudes. Apart from the equator, 0 degree, North Pole 90 degree north and South Pole 90 degree south. There are 4 other important parallels. These are as follows. The Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north. Tropic of Cancer, that means Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. Then Tropic of Capricorn, the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. And then Arctic Circle, Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north, and Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree south. Alright students, so this was the explanation of latitudes. Again I am repeating, I will show some pictures after explanation and you will understand very well. Now the next point is longitudes. Page number 73. Open page number 73. On the globe, we also find vertical lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole. Vertical lines means this type of lines are called vertical lines. These type of standing lines are called vertical line, and these type of sleeping lines are called horizontal lines. All right. Okay, so on the globe we also find vertical lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole. These are called longitudes and meridians. Similarly, latitudes are called parallels and longitudes are called meridians. And the Hindi meaning of longitudes are deshantar, मतलब दो देशों का अंतर, देशांतर. All right. It was difficult to number the longitudes due to their equal length. Thus, by international agreement, the meridian passing through the Royal Observatory in Greenwich near London was marked as 0 degree meridians. That means London situated at 0 degree meridians. This meridians is called prime meridians. This meridians is called prime meridians. So where you can see the prime meridians, this is the prime meridians. This is the prime meridians where Greenwich near London was marked, when Greenwich as London was situated. All right. Now, the 180 degree east and the 180 degree west longitudes coincide to form a single longitude which is on the opposite side of the prime meridians, which is on the opposite sides, means on the right side. On the right side. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the 180 meridian is called anti-meridian. The 180 meridian is called anti-meridian or the international date line. All the international date line means right side. Right side means this side, and the 180 meridian is called the anti-meridian and the international date line. I will show some pictures for understand the concept. Okay, the 0 degree meridian and the 180 degree western hemisphere. The eastern hemisphere is always ahead in time. The eastern hemisphere is always ahead in time. There are 360 degree of longitudes, 180 degree of longitudes to the west of the prime meridian and 180 degrees to the east. All right. Features of longitudes. All longitudes are equal length, unlike the latitudes. Like all the longitudes, the vertical lines are equal according to the latitudes, and longitudes from semicircle that run from the North Pole to South Pole. All the lines, okay, so all the lines from North Pole to South Pole, all the lines from North.
Ma'am.
Wait. So all the lines from North Pole to South Pole is maintain the semicircle situation. The distance between any two longitude decreases as we move from the equator towards the pole. When we move, listen students, look at the screen. When we move,
Voice is not clear.
okay. Now my voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the imaginary line. Wait. This is the imaginary line which is divided Earth into two halves. All right. Keep quiet, I said. No one will talk in the middle.
Okay, ma'am.
But the distance between any two longitudes, how could you find the distance? So two longitudes decreases as we move from the equator towards the pole. Okay student, listen, when this is the equator line, but when you move towards the north pole and towards the south pole, the distance of longitudes maybe decreases. All right, who is speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Akhileshwar is not good. This is very bad. अगर बात करना है तो क्लास ज्वाइन मत करिए. Okay. And the next point is longitudes cross the latitudes at right angle, and that is at angle of 90 degree. Means if the longitudes line are these type of lines and latitudes cross it at 90 degrees. 90 degrees means L shape. Can you see the picture? L shape picture? Can you see the L shape picture? Yes, exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the L shape picture, and L shape means 90 degree. L shape means 90 degree. All right student, L shape means 90 degree. Okay. Now this was the explanation of latitudes and longitudes. Now I am showing some pictures and it is very clearly understand it. I think it will help you a lot. Okay, so the picture is first of all, just have a look. Latitudes and longitudes. Imaginary. So first of all, you should know what is latitude and what is longitudes. As you can see the picture, imaginary lines run from the north pole to the south pole. These are called longitudes. Means imaginary line. As you can see the vertical lines. Imaginary line means the vertical lines run from the north pole. Run from the north pole to south pole. Run from the north pole to south pole. That is called longitudes. And imaginary lines run parallel to the equator. Means this is the equator, this is the red line, this is the equator, and imaginary lines run parallel to the equator, that is called latitudes. It's a very easy and convenient definition. What say, class 5th?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I will show the next picture. Just have a look. Okay, so the first picture is, see the picture. Is it very cool picture, right? कितना अच्छा लग रहा है? Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see,
Yes, ma'am.
the first picture is North Pole 90 degree, top of the picture. Just have a look. North Pole 90 degree and the South Pole, bottom of the earth. South Pole, that is bottom of the earth. Then as you can see the picture, Arctic 66.5 north, Tropic of Cancer 23.5 north. This is the equator line. This is the equator line. And Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 south. And this is the northern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere, beta. And this is the northern hemisphere, and this is the southern hemisphere. This is the parallel of latitudes, means the horizontal line, parallel of latitudes. And this is the, beta, look at the picture. This is the picture, beta, where London situated. Main meridian. Main meridian means prime meridian. Here London situated, Greenwich. Okay? Here, which country situated, beta? London. Okay?
From London.
Yes. So this is the Greenwich meridian where London situated. All right. Now I am showing the next picture. Is it interesting or not? Okay. Now I will show the next picture. That is. Okay, beta. Now just have a look. This is some differences actually. So in the picture you can see the prime meridian, where the prime meridian, top of the earth, and just in the side, north pole 90 degree north, south pole 90 degree south, and the first part Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer. If you want to take the screenshot, please take the screenshot.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Then
Take a screenshot.
I have taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I have taken. This is the right sentence. All right. Now this picture, this is the this picture is equator picture. This is the prime meridian. This is the north pole, south pole. This is the southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, parallel of latitudes. Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, Tropic of Cancer 66.5 degree north, equator 0 degree. Always remember, equator means 0 degree. Then Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, Arctic Circle 66.5 degree south. All right. Now here the picture, latitudes and longitudes. 1 degree latitudes. Ritika,
Ma'am, anyone house voice is coming.
Abhinav Tiwari, Ritika Rawat, Rishikesh Singh. Beta, mute yourself. It's very annoying. It's very disturbing. Please understand. Again, who is?
Ma'am, Ritika Rawat.
I will remove you from the class. This is my last warning. All right. Now longitudes and latitudes. 1 degree latitudes is equal to 111 kilometers. The circumferences of the circle decreases from the equator to poles, and at the pole it converges to a point. And the longitudes, the earth is divided into 24 longitudinal zones, each being 15 degree or 1 hour apart in time. 360 degrees is equal to 24 hours, and 360 by 24 is equal to 15 degree is 1 hour, and 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. This is the common features. You please take the screenshot, and then I will show the next picture now.
Ma'am, please show it again.
Okay, wait. Okay, now importance of latitude. What is the importance of latitude? As you can see the picture, Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north. Look at the arrow, the red arrow. Just have a look, the red arrow. Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north, equator at 0 degree, Tropic of Capricorn at 23 66.5 degrees south, our Antarctic circle at 66.5 degree south. All right, if you want to take the screenshot, please go ahead. Okay, now I am going to show the next picture. Okay beta, so this is the picture of longitudes, locating places with coordinates. Both latitude and longitudes are needed to precisely locate position on earth. Precisely locate the position on earth. For example, the location of New Orleans is 29 degree and 57 north. 29 degree 57 north. 57 north, that is where it is situated. Just have a look on this place. All right, on this place, 90 degree. Note that latitudes come first in reference to the coordinates of a particular location. Means the sleeping line, the horizontal line, comes first in the reference to the coordinates of the particular location. Now I am showing the next picture, and this picture you have to you have to take the printout and paste it in your.
Which page number?
Wait beta, no page number beta. This is the picture. Click the picture and आपको इसका प्रिंट आउट निकलवाना होगा एंड पेस्ट इट इन योर कॉपी.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Otherwise, you can paste page number 72 picture also. Important latitudes.
Yes, ma'am.
But this is the most important picture I will give in your exam full 10 marks question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm showing the next picture, that is just 1 minute, complete होने वाला है. Wait beta. Yes beta, this is the most important picture. Please take the screenshot. Here the latitudes and longitudes both are there. Excuse me class 5th, please concentrate, otherwise please leave the class. Take the screenshot, and this is very important picture, and this picture I will give. Yes, I will give in your examination. Draw latitudes and longitudes. All right, I will send it on School Mitra app. I will send it on School Mitra app, and please paste this picture. This is very important picture because here latitudes and yes, no beta, only this picture. Here moon, you can see the moon, you can see the space.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
beta, print out the color picture, print out in color way, and here you can see the space, here you can see the moon, and both latitudes and longitudes.